Babantanzi, we have in the beginning indicated to you that according to the state version, according to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, that on the 23rd of June 2020, you were in the presence of Mr. Mjiako. We then referred to the proceedings at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 24th of June 2020 before Ms. Cronje to indicate that Mr. Mjiako was also present, and we are now traversing the proceedings of the Tlhabane Court to indicate that Mr. Mjiako is continuing to represent you. That is the purpose of the exercise that we are busy with.
Esikwenzayo ke manje ukukhombisa ke ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi umnumzana uMjiyako ke beku ummeli wakho siqale sasho ke kwena ke ukuthi ke ngazo i23 zika June 2020 ngokubufakazi ke phambi kwenkantolo bakhe uBrigadier Gininda nahlangana ke wena naye umnumzana uMjiyako naphinda futhi ke nge24 zika June 2020 ngathi ke uphambi kwayo imantshi uMiss Cronje nalapho ke umnumzana uMjiyako wayekhona manje ke sikufundela ke nama ke amaphepha ke asenkantolo aseTlhabane ukukhombisa ke ukuthi ke ngaso sonke isikhathi uMjiyako wayekhona wayewummeli wakho yiloko esikwenzayo njengamanje.
Kosenkantolo ngicela ukuphendula qala.
May I first respond, my lord?
Inkulumo Gininda ilona iqiniso phambi kwecourt.
What Gininda said before the court is not true.
Number 1, uGininda nomshushusi phambi kwecourt abayilethanga incwadi leyo okubonisa konke uMjiyako wafika ke metro station.
Firstly, the state as well as Brigadier Gininda did not produce the book which serves as proof that indeed Mjiako came to visit me at the police station.
Ngisho yena uGininda imbala ngoba uBrigadier nje ecourt uBrigadier iphoyisa elikhulu akaza ayingikhombisa icourt ukukhombisa konke wafika ke metro station.
Even Brigadier Gininda himself, as a seasoned police officer, never gave the court any proof to indicate that indeed he was at the police station to see me.
Okwesithathu kosenkantolo mina ngisho ukuthi uMjiyako akusummeli phambi kwecourt.
Thirdly, my lord, I never said that Mjiako is not a lawyer.
Mina ngibuza ukuthi phambi kwamshushusi utshena ubani ukuthi ngiboshiwe, ubani wayemtshena ukuthi futhi ngiye Boksburg, ubani wayemtshena futhi ukuthi ngiye court. Lezo zinto engisibuzayo ngemngazo nanokuthi wayebhadala ubani izinto eziyi4 lapha.
It's 4 things before this court that I inquired or asked him about as to who told him that they had been arrested, who told him that I was in Boksburg, who was paying for him, and who appointed him to represent me.
Thank you. And we had traversed the proceedings of the 13th of July 2020, 3 August 2020. We just want to, in light of what was placed on record by counsel, we just want to then just go back a bit to the proceedings of 3 August 2020.
Ngenxa ke lokho bese kushiwo ke ummeli phambi kwenkantolo isicela nje ukuthi ke sibuyeleke la ku kwange-3 zika August 2020.
According to these proceedings, Exhibit RR on the 3rd of August 2020, it says defense accused Mr. Mjiako. Then it says digitally recorded, adjourned to 17 August 2020, accused absent due to COVID, in absentia, in custody, no bail, next postponement will be done via video call.
Lana ke kuzona 3 August 2020 baliwe ke ummeli Mr. Mjiako la ezansi kwabhalwa ke inkantolo yaguqa ke kuze kube nge-17 noma icala kuze kube nge-17 zika August 2020 umsolwa akekho ngenxa yezathu ze-corona. Icala ke lahlehliswa umsolwa engekho noma ke ungekho ase yabhala ke imantshi ukuthi ke ungaphakathi ke esitopsini uma kuphinda futhi ke lihlehliswa icala lokho kuzokwenziwa ke nge-video call lokho okubhaliwe lana.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa. I-corona yaye kuphi ise-court noma yaye kule police station ngamhlala kuyo la. Ngifuna ukucaciseleka.
May I get clarity? I hear you, but as it is said here, agent accused absent due to COVID was due to COVID in court or at the police station where I was kept. Just some clarity on that one.
Yes, well, we're going according to the record, Babantanzi.
Sifunda okubhaliwe la Mnumzana Ntanzi.
And just to also fully put on record what happened on the 13th of July 2020, it says defense, Mr. Mjiako, digitally recorded. Mr. Mjiako addresses court, says request postponement to 3 August 2020 in discussions with DPP before will apply for bail.
Sibuyele ke emuva ke sikufunde konke okubhaliwe kwange 13 kuJuly 2020 ummeli uMjiyako ke wase enza isicelo ke enkantolo ukuthi icala lihlehliswe zona 3 kuAugust 2020 washo ke ukuthi ke bayakhulumisana ke noma kunokukhulumisana okukhona noma ingxoxo ezikhona ke neDPP ke ihhovisi labashushisi ngaphambi kokuthi ke sifake isicelo sebhayile.
And it says adjourn to 3 August 2020 formal bail application in custody no bail. Sergeant Mohani warned for 8:30 a court.
Yaqhubeka ke inkantolo yaseke iya kuqala ke kuze benge 3 zika August 2020 ezathu ke sibhaliwe lapho ke ukufaka ke isicelo sebhayile uzogcinwa ke ngaphakathi ayikho ibail yabe ixwayisa ke uSergeant uMukhane inkantolo ngesikhathi sika 8:30 a court.
You were present according to the record of these proceedings on the 13th of July 2020.
Nge 13 zika July 2020 ngokwalokho okubhalelwana wawukhona enkantolo.
And Mr. Mjiako addressed court.
Umnumzana uMjiyako wabe ese nenkulumo ayidlulisela enkantolo.
Do you have any comment?
Kukhona ofisa ukusho?
Mina Nkosi enkantolo namanje la kunento le ekithi mhlawumbe okungidida kancane.
Here, my Lord, there's something that confuses me a bit.
Number 1 Nkosi enkantolo. Kule ya court ngingena eboxini ngifasiwe izandla nenyawo.
Firstly, my Lord, when I entered the court, I was handcuffed and there were leg irons as well.
Ngingena ngomnyango lo ongena wona inkosi enkantolo angene ngomnyango ongena ibosho.
I used the very same entrance that the court is using or the magistrate is using, not the entrance that is used by the other prisoners.
Ngizothi ngingakafiki nabo kuhlala khona phansi kuhlala khona mina njengomuntu oboshiwe umuntu umfica kanjani uyakhuluma ecourt.
Even before I get to the accused dock, even before I get seated, I will get in there. Someone is already addressing the court.
Ngizothi ngisamile bese utolika ntanzi icala liyaguqela umhlakabani bese ngifuna ngithathwa ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba.
And whilst I'm still there, my Lord, and then the interpreter would then interpret to me, Ntanzi, the matter is postponed to such a date. I'm then taken out and I leave.
Ngoba mina bona ukushitshela kwami kumama lo ngangena kuya Rustenburg umama umlungu bekunika umuntu omnyama. Ngingasho ukuthi kwangisiza umama lo yakwazi ukuthi ngikwazi ukusikhulumela ecourt.
Because when the change was made from the white lady to a black lady, I would say that was to my benefit because that lady assisted me. I was able to speak for myself.
Ngoba since ngibuke ikarton nalapha ngiphambi kwecourt akaze ngene ngifaswe izandla kodwa kuloya mama ngangena ngifaswe izandla nenyama.
As I've been attending court, I've never been entered court with my hands cuffed. Even in this court, but with that lady, my hands as well as would be cuffed and also on leg irons.
Lekulumo ebhalwe angiphikisana nayo ukuthi nje mina into ngisho ukuthi yini la yayekhuluma wayethunywa ubani ukuthi aka-address yonke lento ayikhuluma ecourt.
What is recorded here, I'm not disputing whatever is recorded here, But all I'm asking is, what is it that he was saying or addressing the court on or about?
Now, here, Mr. Ntanzi, we just want to put it to you that, as we pointed out, that a lawyer would normally act according to instructions. And what he put on record here would normally be according to his instructions.
Nanjengoba ubusho-ke ukuthi ke ummeli mangaba ekhuluma-ke noma ke akushoyo usube ekhuluma-ke into ebuya kuwena noma ayitshelwa uwena-ke lana-ke lokhu esikufundayo-ke noma kokubhaliwe lana yinto-ke okusingathi phecelezi-ke ama-instructions noma-ke ummeli ayindlulisayo endlulisela umuntu lona ammele.
Yena wayethathaphi le nkulumo.
But where did he take the instructions from?
Lapha ecourt ngeke ngenze example lapha ecourt. Ngathi la ecourt bengimelwe ummeli uThobani.
I made an example here in court and said that I was represented by Mr. Tobane.
Makufika ubaba uRamsipile, icourt le eSchool ingibuzile ukuthi Ntanzi uyamvuma nommeli ngasukuma ngathi yebo Nkosi enkantolo ngiyamvuma.
And then when Mr. Ramusipile took over, the court inquired from me as whether Mr. Ntanzi, do you then agree, do you then confirm that Mr. Ramusipile is representing you? I then confirmed.
Manje le yase Rustenburg yini indaba ingabhala ukuthi ngavuma ukuthi mina nommeli ongimele ngibuze bese ngiyayiphendula icourt.
But now with regards to Rustenburg, why is it not shown or is it not indicated here that the court inquired from me and then I agreed or confirmed so that indeed he is representing me?
We've already covered the proceedings of 3 August 2020. We go over to on the 3rd of August, the case was postponed to the 17th of August 2020.
August 17 August 2020.
And we've already placed on record as to what transpired on the 3rd of August 2020.
August 2020.
Then on the 17th of August 2020, it says defense Mr. Mjiako, then in brackets not present.
Ngazo 17 August 2020 kwabhalwa ke ummeli kwabhalwa Mjiako kwabhalwa ke ukuthi wayengekho enkantolo ngalelo langa lelo.
Then it says digitally recorded adjourned 20 August 2020 for attorney.
Kwabhalwa ukuthi inkantolo yaseGuqa ke qala sihleselwa i20 ku August 2020 izathu ummeli
Mina lapha kuthoma ngikhona ecourt.
Here does it indicate as to whether I was in court?
Yes, it says in custody, no bail.
Yebo, ithi ke uzogcinwa ke ngaphakathi esitokisini ungena bail. Okay?
Yes. But once again, we see here, Baba Ntanzi, that the case is then postponed for an attorney.
Siyabona futhi ke lana ukuthi ke iqala lahlehliswa lihlehliselwa ummeli.
Then on the
Sikhuluma ngento ebhalwe phakathi ecourt yase Rustenburg.
We are referring to something that is recorded.
yes,
Yebo.
Ingakho nje nangitshela le court ithi kwangisiza ukuthi bengishitshele inkantolo ngoba loya mama loya ngangena kuye ngifasa izandla nenyawo. Engenziwe ecourt ngene box ngifasa izandla nenyawo.
Hence I am informing this court that being changed from that particular magistrate was beneficial to me because I would enter her court handcuffed as well as having leg irons, something that doesn't happen, that you would get into the accused dock with handcuffs as well as leg irons.
Ngoba ngisho ngiphakamisa isandla ngangenza umuntu so uthola ukuthi lo mama lo uyakhuluma ukwatelela ne-escort wayengena nebhame ecourt ngifaka izandla so ngiphakamisa isandla so ngingakhona ukusiziwa.
Even in raising my hand, I would raise my hand with my finger like this, and I would not raise my hands properly. Even there, she would not attend to me. She would be speaking to the escorts and not being happy with them entering court with firearms.
And then, as we intimated, the case was postponed to 20 August 2020. Then on 20 August 2020, it says defense, Mr. Mjiako.
Njengoba sishilo-ke ukuthi lase liyahlehliswa-ke icala lihlehliselwa zona i-20 ku-August 2020. Ngeyi-20 zika-August 2020 kubhaliwe-ke ummeli Mjiako.
It says digitally recorded. Mr. Mjiako addresses court, accused abandons application for bail, adjourned to 5 October 2020. It says ballistic report, in custody, no bail.
Okubhaliwe-ke phansi umnumzana uMjiako futhi-ke uyena obhekisa inkulumo enkantolo. Watshela-ke inkantolo ukuthi umsolwa akasaqhubeki nesicelo sakhe sebheyile. Inkantolo iyaguqa-ke icala lihlehliselwa i-5 ku-October 2020.
Ngiphinde futhi phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Inkosi enkantolo ngangokujabulela kakhulu mangathola ibheyili.
I would repeat before this court, my lord, I would have been very happy if bail was granted for me.
Lokho ukuthi ngathi mina ibheyili angisayifuni ukuqala makufundiwa la. Nangalokho isikhathi engifundela ubaba uTsibanda ngasho into la ngiyayiqala nqa lapha ecourt.
This that is written here, my lord, that accused abandons application for bail. I'm hearing it for the first time in court. Even when it was read out by Advocate Sibanda, I even mentioned it that I'm hearing it for the first time.
Okusho khona ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi mhlawumbe ekhuluma lenkulumo kulesi sikhathi mina ngiphandle kuthiwa kungena abameli nephoyisa ngaphakathi ecourt la sonke asime ngaphandle ngamalanga ecorona.
Maybe when he said this or he addressed the court on this, I was standing outside because there were times when it was said it would only be the lawyer as well as the police officers that would enter court. We were then told to wait outside. There was no way that I was not going to raise my hand when I wanted a bail.
Now, this is now the third time that Mr. Mjiako is physically at court.
Leli ke manje kwase kuyihlandla lesithathu ke ukuthi abe khona yena mathupha enkantolo uMjiako.
Noma ngathiwa ihlandla lesi-10 namanje mina impendulo ngitholile phambi kwecourt ukuthi ngubani wamtshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe wayekhokhelwa ubani manje.
Even if it was said that it was the 10th time, I still maintain, or I'm still asking as to who told him that I was in court, who was giving him financial instructions.
Then the case is adjourned to 5 October 2020.
La seliyahlehiswa icala hlehliselwa i-5 October 2020.
Then on the 5th of October 2020, it says, accused Mr. Mjiako
Ngazo i-5 October 2020, umsolwa umnumzana Mjiako,
and it says no power,
kwabhalwa ukuthi wanginagesi.
adjourned to 27 October 2020, further investigation, in custody, no bail.
Hlehliselwa ke i-27 October 2020 soqhubekwa ke noma babesezoqhubeka ke nophenyo gcinwa ngaphakathi ke estoksini ayikho ibail.
Now, this is the fourth time that Mr. Mjiako is, according to the proceedings, physically present at court.
Leli ke manje kuseyihlandla lesineke ukuthi ekhona yena enkantolo uMjiako.
Mina phambi kwecourt ngisasho ukuthi noma ngathiwa ihlandla lesi-4 lesi-6 lesishagalombili wayeqashwe ngubani wayetshena ubani ukuthi ngiyekhoti.
I'm still maintaining before this court that whether it was the 4th time, whether it was the 8th occasion or the 2nd occasion, all I'm asking is who appointed him to be representing me in court.
Then the case is postponed to the 27th of October 2020. Then on the 27th of October 2020, the following appears on record. It says, defense Mr. Mjiako not present. It says digitally recorded. The prosecutor addresses the court and says, the accused is appearing in Boksburg court today. on another matter that he was arrested for yesterday, request postponement to 11 November 2020 in absentia. Then the case was postponed to the 11th of November 2020 in absentia.
Ngazo i-27 ku-October 2020 kwabhalwa ke ummeli umjiyako kwabhalwa ke ukuthi ke wayengekho ngalelo langa lelo enkantolo. Umshushisi ke wabe esebhekisa ke inkulumo enkantolo washo ukuthi ke umsolwa uvela ke noma ke usenkantolo nge eBoksburg kwelinye icala aliboshelwe izolo. Wabe esecela inkantolo ukuthi ke icala alihlehliswe lihlehliselwa i-11 kuNovember 2020 engekho umsolwa labe selihlehliswa impela ke icala lihlehliselwa i-11 November 2020 ayikho ibail.
Kuthiwa ngiboshelwe izolo.
That I was arrested for yesterday.
Yes, according to the proceedings. In other words, the 26th of October 2020.
Yebo yiloko okubhalwe la ukuthi ke inkulumo kwaba inkulumo kaMshushisi ekusho nge-27 okusho ukuthi ke kwakunge-26.
Wena Nkosi enkantolo ngajajwa ngo-June 16 ngacala la Senzo Meyiwa.
I was charged for the Senzo Meyiwa matter, my lord, on the 16th of June.
Ukuthi ngangijajwa izolo kuyangimangaza futhi nakhona.
That I was charged yesterday, it now comes as a surprise to me.
It says you were arrested for yesterday.
Okubhaliwe lana ukuthi asikufunde futhi umshushisi ubhekisa inkulumo enkantolo. Umsolwa uvela enkantolo yaseBoksburg namuhla i-27 October 2020. Uvelela icala aliboshelwe izolo ke beke kwakunge-26 ka-October 2020.
Ingakho ngithi akulona iqiniso.
Hence I'm saying it's not true.
Mina ngajajwa ngo-June 16 ngijajwa imeda kaSenzo Meyiwa le ngaboshelwa neRustenburg.
I was charged on the 16th of June 2020 for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. That is what I was arrested arrested for in Rustenburg.
Awuyona meda nengaboshwa ngasebhodruma nge-17 engangibuzwa ngayo.
That is the murder that I was arrested for, and even in the boardroom, that's the murder that I was being interrogated about.
Then we have handed up Exhibit EE as well as transcripts thereof that indicate that both yourself and Mr. Mjiyako were present at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020.
Kungezibithi ke dluliseleke enkantolo elikhombisayo ukuthi nababili naye umnumzana uMjiyako nanikhona enkantolo yaseBoksburg nge-27 zika October 2020.
So what we are seeing here, Mr. Ntanzi, is that Mr. Mjiyako is on record for the proceedings at Tlhabane, and on the 27th of October 2020 he's also on record on your behalf at the proceedings at the Boksburg Magistrate Court.
Esikubonayo ke lana mnumzana uNtanzi ukuthi ke umnumzana uMjiyako waye ummeli noma wayekumele enkantolo eTlhabane kwase futhi ke ngazo i-27 October 2020 eBoksburg umnumzana uMjiyako wayekhona lapho ekumele futhi.
Ngoba wayekhona umshushisi mangiphakamise isandla ayengatshena ngikhotha ukuthi uTanzi uphakamise isandla eBoksburg.
Because you were there as the prosecutor and you saw me raising my hand, why was it that you never informed the court that Ntanzi has his hand up?
Ngoba lapha ecourt mangihleli lapha mangiphakamise isandla yakhona ukutshela inkosi enkantolo ukuthi I choose number 1 uphakamise isandla.
Because here in this court, when I'm seated there and I raise my hand, you are able to tell the court that accused so and so has his hand up.
Well, Mr. Ntanzi, we've referred you to the relevant portion where during the trial, within a trial, Mr. Ramosipele asked you about this fact. That was during the trial, within the trial on the 9th of February 2024, page 59, lines 10 to 13. Mr. Ramosepeli is asking you about the appearance of the 27th of October 2020. Mr. Ramosepeli, now regarding Mr. Mjiako, was he present in court on the 27th of October 2020? Your response was, he was present. Mr. Ramosepeli, and who was representing you at the time? Your response, he was representing me, my lord. Then Mr. Ramosepeli asks you, and how did Mjiako know that you are appearing on that date, on 27 October 2020? Your response, I did not know, my lord, because at the police station, Mr. Mjiako never visited me. Then at page 62, on this version that you raised your hand to address the court, but that your request was not considered. At page 62, still during the proceedings of 9 February 2024, from line 18, Mr. Ramosepeli asks you, in court, did you address the presiding officer about your instruction or non-instruction to Mr. Mjiako? You responded as follows. My lord, I tried raising my hand and I also swept my hands, and the magistrate refused me an opportunity to speak. Then, still on the 9th of February 2024, page 60, line 6 to 9, Mr. Ramosepeli, now on the 27th of October 2020, did you instruct Mr. Mjiako to come and represent you at Boksburg Magistrate Court? You responded as follows, no, my lord, as I was not in contact with him. Then Mr. Ramosepeli asks you, and now he appears in court, he appears in front of the magistrate. He confirms that he appears for you. Did you raise your concern about his representation of you with the presiding officer? Your response was as follows. On the first appearance, I did not raise my hand. So here you yourself, you say you did not raise your hand.
Lana ke bekufundela khona ke baloyi uthi ke fakazi la uhola khona ke uyena ubaba uRamosepeli manje ke mala naye ke umnumzana uMjiako ingabe wayekhona yini ubaba uRamosepeli ke ubuza wena wayekhona yini enkantolo nge-27 October 2020 solo wesibili yebo wayekhona ubaba uRamosepeli wayemele bani ngaleso sikhathi leso umsolo wesibili wayemele mina Nkosi enkantolo kusho ukuthi umnumzana uMjiyako wakumela ngazo i-27 October 2020 eBoksburg nanjengo wakubhaliweke kuyena exhibit EE. Then yaqhubeka ke ushilo kubufakazi bakho ke ukuthi nge-27 October 2020 enkantolo yaseBoksburg uMjiyako wasukuma wakhuluma nenkantolo wase uphakamisa ke isandla sakho kodwa ke isicelo sakho asizange sinakwe wawufisa ukuthi ke akutshele ukuthi watshelwa ubani ukuthi uboshiwe nokuthi ke wawuzovela enkantolo. Uyaphendula ke lana umsolo wesibili Nkosi enkantolo ngazama ukuthi ke isandla ngisiphakamise kodwa ke imantshi yanqaba ke ukuthi nginikeze ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume Babu Ramusipile. Okay. Umsolo wesibili Nkosi enkantolo cha Nkosi enkantolo nanjengoba ngangingaxhumani naye manje ke ovela ke phambi kweNkosi enkantolo eqinisekisa ukuthi eqinisekisa ukuthi umele wena ingabe wasiphakamisa yini isandla sakho umsolo wesibili kwihlandla lokuqala angisiphakamisanga isandla Nkosi enkantolo. Okay. Uthi ke umshushisi lana uyashoke wena ukuthi ke kwihlandla lokuqala awuzange usiphakamise isandla.
Ngiyathemba ngalanga lokuqala Bossberg akaze sinikeze uchance thina.
I believe that on the first occasion in Boksburg we were never given an opportunity.
Ngoba ngikhumbula kahle uNtulu waze wafoster ukukhuluma engaphamisanga isandla wakhuluma ekhotha sabathe nimvimba wakhuluma.
Because I remember Ntuli was not given an opportunity. He forced his way into addressing the court because you were stopping him, but he spoke. He addressed the court.
Ngoba awungathala ubuke nje uthutula video yakho ngisho umncuba bephakamisa izandla uthi isicelo sabo zange simukelwe lapha eBoksburg ngelanga lokuqala. On
the first day, even if you were to go and just watch that clip, even the likes of Ncube, they were raising their hands, but they were never attended to there in Boksburg on the first day.
But the fact of the matter, sir, was that you yourself state here that you did not raise your hand when being led by Mr. Ramusipile in a trial within a trial.
Kodwa ke kuyona trial within a trial nesikhathi ke uhlonye imibuzo uyena ke noma ke uyena Babu Ramusipile kwakubuza imibuzo uyasho ke lapha yakubhaliwe ukuthi ke uyasho ukuthi ihlandla lokuqala awukazi usiphakamise noma awuzange usiphakamise isandla ngehlandla lokuqala.
Mina ngiphinde ngasho lapha kodwa eBoksburg ngiphakamise isandla amahlandla amaningi isicelo sami azange simukeleke.
I said it here in court that in Boksburg I raised my hand on many occasions, but my request was never considered.
So you are contradicting what you stated in a trial within a trial.
Uma usho kanjalo uyakuphikisa ke lokho wakusho kuyona trial within a trial.
Mina ngibona amalotha abhalwe ngoya ngibona irecord elashona.
I only see notes that you yourself wrote. I don't see the record.
You want the record to be printed for you?
Ufuna ukukhishwa le record?
Ukuye mina angithi angifimile entsheni kodwa nguye otshena.
It's up to you. You are the one telling the court. It's not me.
So do you want a copy of to see the copy of the transcript?
Ingabe ufisa ukubona icopy yayo i-transcript?
Ngithi mina kukuye.
I'm saying it's up to you.
If the court will bear with us, my lord, as we print the transcript for the day. So we've just printed the report and we're going to read out the record to you at your request.
Yes, but we'll keep all the band to the printer.
This is the proceedings of the 9th of February 2024, page 60, and we'll just read the, for the proper context, read the from line 2. This is now during the trial, within the trial. Accused 2, my lord, there's nothing that I spoke with Njiako. The only conversation I had with him was when I was asking him who sent him, and he said he was sent by my sister. That was the last conversation we had. Then Mr. Ramosipele, at line 6. This is the portion that we just quoted to you, Mr. Ramosipele. Now, on the 27th of October 2020, did you instruct Mr. Njiako to come and represent you at the Boksburg Magistrate Court? Your response at line 9, no, my lord, as I was not in contact with him. Then at line 10, Mr. Ramosipele, and now he appears in front of the magistrate court. He confirms that he appears for you. Did you raise your concern about his representation of you with the presiding officer in that court? And accused 2, on the first appearance, I did not raise anything, my lord.
Si printileke irecord devike lana ke uqala kuyena iqala lana ke kosenkantolo akukho engakukhuluma nomjiyako inkulumo engaba nayo naye ngesikhathi ke ngangimbuza ukuthi ubani owamthumela wathi wangitshela ke ukuthi ke wathunyelwa usisi wami inkulumo yokugcina ke engaba nayo kanye naye babo Ramosipele manje ke nge-27 zika October 2020 ingabe wamtshela yini umjiyako ukuthi eze azokumela enkantolo yase Boksburg? Wena ke uphendulayo umsolo wesibili, cha nkosenkantolo, nanjengoba ngangaxhumani naye babo Ramosipele manje ke useyavela ke noma ke usephambi kwenkantolo uyaqinisekisa ke ukuthi ke umele wena. Ingabe waveza yini noma wakudlulisa yini enkantolo mayelana ke nokukumela lokho kwakhe awayekusho phambi kwayo imanje? Uphendula wena ke manje lana, ngehlandla lokuqala angizange ngikusho noma ke angizange ngisho lutho babo Ramosipele. Okay gcina lapho, gcina la ithi khona ngehlandla lokuqala angizange ngisho lutho kosenkantolo. Yes, I hear you.
All right. Do you wish to comment? Sorry.
Ngabo khona fisa ukusho.
Mina ngakhoza ukuthi ipendulo yami noma ufunda la uyayeza ukuthi mina eBoksburg ngiphamise isandla amahlandla amane angisakhumbula ngangiphamisa ngesandla ngiphamisa ngalesandla.
If you listen to that response, what I'm saying is that in Boksburg I raised my hand on many occasions, but I do not remember when did I raise a hand and then when did I not.
Right. Then just going back to the proceedings at Tlhabane Magistrate Court, Exhibit RR, on the 27th of October 2020, as both you and Mr. Njiako were appearing at the Boksburg Magistrate Court, the case was then postponed to 11 November 2020 in absentia.
Masibuyela kwinkantolo yaseTlhabane ngazo i-27 ku-October 2020. Nobabili ke nomnumzana umjiyako naningekho enkantolo yaseTlhabane ngalelo langa lelo i-27 October 2020 nanjengoba nanisenkantolo yase-Boksburg.
And I'll just, for the sake of completeness, put the last sentence on record, adjourned 11 November 2020, in absentia, in custody, no bail.
Ngizofunda ke la ekubhalwe khona la egcineni lahlehliswa ke icala lehliswa 11 kuNovember 2020 ungekho noma ke ningekho nobabili ke nomnumzana uNjiyako ngaphakathi estoksini ayikho ibail.
Then on 11 November 2020, the proceedings, the appearances are as follows. It says defense, Mr. Njiyako.
Ngazo ke 11 kuNovember 2020 ummeli ubhalwe yena uMjiyako.
It says digitally recorded. It says adjourned 26 November 2020. And it says representations to NPA in custody, no bail.
Kwase kubhalwa phansi ke ukuthi ke icala liyahlehliswa ke lihlehliselwa zona ke i26 kuNovember 2020 ukuthi ke kwakuzo khulunyiswana noma ke kwakhona okuzobhalwa kubhalelwa kuyona ke iNPA abashushisi ngaphakathi estoksini akuna bail.
Now, this is now the 5th time that Mr. Njiyako is on record for you, according to the proceedings.
Manje ke ihlandla lesihlanu ke manje umnumzana uMjiyako esenkantolo emele wena.
Kusenkantolo mina ngisamile namanje ngoba kwanawe mshushisi akwazi umlando uMjiyako ezongitshela phambi kwecourt ukuthi wayekhokhela ubani wayemtshela ukuthi ngiboshe.
I still maintain, my lord, even the state itself never brought Mjiyako before this court to come and confirm or tell this court as to who told him that I'd been arrested and who was providing him with financial instructions.
Zonke indlela ngihamba Bosbeck Hlabane ubani wayemtshela ukuthi ngiyekhona.
All the routes that I was traveling, Boksbeck, Tlhabane, who was informing him that I was going to court?
Have you heard of attorney-client privilege?
Ungabe usuku wezwa yini ngaphambilini ngenkulumo noma ke ukugodlwa ke kwento ephakathi kommeli nalowo amele ukuthi ke ukungadalulwa kwaloko okuphakathi kommeli nalowo amele uyakwazi lokho?
Mina ngiyaqala ukuboshiwe into zabameli angizazi.
This is the first time that I'm being arrested. I know nothing with regards to lawyer-related matters.
Ngoba ngisho ngiqashwa 2009 ngiqashwa emayini ngayeka azange ngithethe icala emayini.
Even when I got appointed in the mine for the very first time in 2009 until I stopped working at the mine, I never attended any case.
Yes. You were asking or commenting as to why the state did not call him. The law says what happens between attorney and client remains between them.
Ungibuzile ingakho bengikubuza ukuthi uyakwazi yini ngoba ubuzile ukuthi noma uthe umshushisi yena akakaza ambiza uMjiyako azosho la enkantolo ukuthi bekhokhelwa ubani ubetshelwa ubani ukuthi enkantolo manje ke umthetho uthi okwenzeka phakathi kwakho nommeli wakho lokho kuphakathi kwenu nobabili.
Cha akukho phakathi kwethu.
No, that's not the case.
Lapha phambi kwekhotho noMjiyako mazi kahle. Lo Geninda limazi kahle upheleze kanjani ke phambi kwekhotho.
Before this court, you and Geninda know very well as to what it is that Mjiyako did to me. You know very well.
Now, back to the proceedings of Tlhabane on the 11th of November 2020. So once again, we see that both of you appeared at Boksbeck Magistrate Court on the 27th of October.
Mangitholi court isebenzela phandle ngakhishwe emotweni.
When the court would not be using the courtroom itself, but everything would be done outside, I would then not be taken out of the vehicle, and then the matter would be postponed. I would then be told to leave.
Ngoba umuntu oweza kimi ngesemotweni nguye umshushisi lo wayephethe icala ezobona ukuthi ngaphela ngikhona nemotweni.
Because the person that approached me in the vehicle, it was the prosecutor himself or herself that was handling the matter, just to come and confirm as to whether I was in the vehicle.
But here, according to the proceedings, they were digitally recorded. In other words, they were mechanically recorded.
Kodwa ke lana ngokwalana ukuthi ke konke okwakwenzeka laphayana enkantolo ukuthi ke kwakusetshenziswa ke nanjengalendlela kwenzeka ngayo lana ukuthi ke okwenzekayo enkantolo kuthathwa kufakwa lapha emshinini nanjengoba kwenzeka la.
You cannot record proceedings digitally if the court is not in session.
Awungeke ke ukwenze lokho ukuthi konke okwenzeka enkantolo bese kuya recorda noma kukhishelwa emshinini uma ngabe inkantolo ingekho phakathi kwigumbi noma ke enkantolo.
No, angithepha kubhalwe ngesandla la khanga ngomshini ubhuti lo ucofa ngomshini lokho kubhalwe ngesandla somuntu.
This that which is in front of me, this is handwritten. There, the gentleman over there is using a machine.
Manje uqhathanisa izinto ezingafani.
Now we are comparing things that are not the same.
Yes, there's a transcribed record, Mr. Ntanzi. We referring you to the original record.
Lana sikhombisa ke irecord ekuyilona ke likhona ke irecord elibhaliwe ke ngawo umshini noma.
Mina ngiphendula ukume ayisho ke uqhathanisa isandla lesi writing yesandla nalokho nobhuti lo ucofa umshini la.
I am responding to what you are saying, that you are comparing that which is handwritten here with what is done by the gentleman over there.
Moving along, then on the 26th of November 2020, it says, accused Mr. Mjiako, then in brackets, not present.
Masiya kuzona ke 26 November 2020 kwabhalwa ke Meli umsolwa kwabhalwa Mjiyako kwabhalwa ke akekho.
Then it says adjourned 22 January 2021 for attorney in custody no bail.
Mase kuyabhalwa ke ukuthi yaguqa ke inkantolo icala lahlehliselwa i22 kuJanuary 2021 izathu ummeli gcinwa ke ngaphakathi esitokisini ibail ayikho.
Then on the 22nd of January 2021, it says defense Ms. Chia. It says accused appears digitally recorded. Ms. Chia informs court that accused terminated instructions and wishes to withdraw as attorney of record. Accused confirms and wishes to appoint legal aid.
Ngazo ke i22 kuJanuary 2021 kwabhalwa ke ummeli uMiss Chia umsolwa ukhona kubhaliwe ukuthi umsolwa wayekhona noma ke ukhona enkantolo. uMiss Chia utshela inkantolo noma watshela ke inkantolo ukuthi ke umsolwa uyasho ukuthi akasafisa uqhubeka ke naye ukuthi ke abe ummeli wakhe wase etshela inkantolo ke naye ukuthi ke ngenxa yalokho ke useyahoqa ke nanjengommeli umsolwa waqinisekisa ke ukuthi ufisa ukuthi ke uqokwe ummeli we legal aid.
It says Ms. Chia is excused as attorney of record. Then the prosecutor then requested that the matter be transferred to the regional court for the 2nd of February 2021, and it was so transferred. Accused in custody no bail.
Waseke inkantolo ngempela ke emuva kwalokho ke siyamdedela ke uMiss Chia ukuthi ke akase yena ke ummeli ecaleni umshushisi wase enza ke isicelo ukuthi ke icala lindluliselwe ke regional court ngazo i2 zika February 2021 impela ke icala lase lindluliselwa ke kuyona regional court.
Siphinde silungise le nkulumo kancane.
If we can just correct this.
Court Rustenburg yima ngiphakamise isandla. Hayi ukuthi yena wayikhipha yena ecaleni yima ngiphakamise isandla ngacela icourt ngicela usizo.
In court, I am the one who raised my hand, not that she herself excused herself. I'm the one that asked for assistance.
ngayibeka izathu zami waye izathu zami zingabhala lapho ukuthi siphi izathu esenza ukuthi ngimxoshe.
And I stated my reasons, and why is it that my reasons are not recorded here as to why I terminated her mandate.
Manje singadukisa ikhoti lesiphambi kwabe ngathi yena nguye wayikhipha kodwa waxoshwa yini akube ngiqonde ngqothi yimi engamxoshana.
Let's not mislead the court as if now she is the one that asked to be excused from the proceedings. I'm the one that terminated her mandate.
Mr. Ntanzi, we're reading what is in the proceedings.
Sifunda okubhalwe la.
What is recorded on the proceedings of the 22nd of January 2021?
Okubhaliwe lana kwi-22 zika January 2021.
Now,
angithi ekhoti mangifundele into efele ngiphendule ukuthi ukuze kufike la kwakukanjani.
When something is being read out to me in court, I need to respond that how did it happen that we got to this point?
Yes. Now, between... Do you want to say something? Sorry? Now, between the proceedings of 11 November 2020 and 22 January 2021, you appeared at the Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of November 2020, and Mr. Mjiako is on record on your behalf.
Manje ke phakathi kwala madate amabili 26 November 2020, 22 January 2021, asekuthi ke nge 27 October 2020 umnumzana uMjiyako wayekumele enkantolo yase Boksburg.
Yebo.
Yes.
So once again we see that both of you were present at Boksburg at Tlhabane on the 11th of the Tlhabane court on the 11th of November 2020.
Siyabona ukuthi nomabili ke nani khona enkantolo yase Tlhabane ngazo 11 November 2020.
And both of you are again present at the Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of November 2020.
Nomabili ke futhi nikhona enkantolo yase Boksburg nge 27 November 2020.
Do you have any comment?
Ukhona ngakusho?
Lapha kosenkantolo kucace ngokusobala ukuthi amaphoyisa yiwayemtshela athi wayeyithimba laba bemtshela ukuthi lo muntu uyekhoti ngelanga so ngoba ngangaxhumani azange afike kimi e-police station.
Here, my lord, it's crystal clear that it was the police officers that were informing him because he was one team with them, that this person is now going to court, this person is going to this court, because I was not in contact with him.
No, but he was present at court at the previous occasion on the 27th of October 2020 when the case was postponed to this date to the 27th of November 2020.
Cha, kodwa wayekhona enkantolo nge 27 October 2020 uma icala lihlehliswa lona ilanga leli langa 27 November 2020.
Mina lokho ngiyakuzwa phambi kwekhoti.
I hear that before this court.
Njengamanje la ikhoti izoguqa. Ummeli wami uzotshela mhlawumbe akafanele ngakho uzotshela uSibili ukuthi angitshene ukuthi. Ikhoti mayiguqa la ummeli fanele ngikhulume nommeli. Lona yini ikhoti mayiguqa angezozokhuluma na.
Here like in for example here the court is going to adjourn. Maybe the lawyer will then tell Spear to say this and that. But now on this occasion, why is it that this particular lawyer would not then have a word with me?
Now, we've already referred to the letter from Mjiako attorneys dated 3 March 2021. Just to refresh your memory, Baba Ntanzi, the first paragraph reads, we confirm that, well, the heading is State versus Ntanzi, First Lawrence Case 63610 of 2014. We confirm that we act on behalf of Mr. Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi, who is accused number 2 in the above matter.
Lana ke sifisa nje ukuthi sikhumbuzeke okubhaliwe noma ke okuyona ke lencwadi lena omjiyako la abashoyo ke khona noma ke beqinisekisa ke ukuthi bamele umsola wesibili uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
And it says,
Letter yange 3 ka March 2021.
it says immediately after the last court appearance, that is now the 27th of November 2020, Mr. Ntanzi withdrew our mandate as his attorneys of record and opted to be represented by the Legal Aid Board.
Okubhaliwe ke noma ke okushiwo ile ncwadi ukuthi emuva kokuthi ke sasisenkantolo ke ngehlandla lokugcina ekwakuyi 27 kuNovember 2020 umnumzana uNtanzi wathatha ke isinqumo sokuthi akasaqhubeki nathi nanjengabameli.
Babeqashwe ngubani?
Who appointed them?
Ubani obakhokhelayo?
Who was providing or giving them financial instructions?
Ukugcina khona lapho ngizocela khona lapha ecourt mina. Ungifundele le tengibuka la ne prison number yami le yase Rustenburg. La ukhombisa icourt manje lethe bengutshena ngona ukuthi mina ecourt ngangena eRustenburg eRamshana. Ngangena nge1 zika March ukuthi icourt angiqambela mango nge1 ka March uzokuzoya ecourt eBosberg. Ngicela nje uyifundele icourt la ngelinye ilanga noma hayi namhlanje.
There's a document that the witness is referring to that is requesting that it be read, even if it's not today, which then proves that I was not telling lies when I said that I was booked in at Ramshana on the 1st of March 2021.
Ngoba wena utshela icourt ukuthi mina ngangiseverary ngutshela ngangengekho everary.
Because you informed the court that I was in Valeria when I informed you that I was not in Valeria.
You have repeatedly been commenting as to who gave Mr. Njiako instructions. We just wish to refer you to the proceedings of 9 February 2024 during the trial within a trial, page 24. I will start at line 4, accused number 2. I was standing there, my lord. A certain gentleman then appeared there and told me that he was Njiako. And what was the purpose of him being there? Did he tell you that? This now Mr. Ramsepil and then accused number 2. He informed me, he told me his name, my lord, and then said to me that he was there to assist me. I then wanted to know from him, assist me with what? Mr. Ramsepili. And what did he say? Accused number 2. He then said to me, I will come to the police station and explain to you. I then asked him, who told you that I've been arrested, that I'm here? Mr. Ramosepili. What was his response? Accused number 2. He then said to me, we will speak about that, but the person who contacted him or who called him is CC. And then I asked, where does CC get your number from? And I'll just read the rest of the page, Mr. Ramsepeli. And when he said the person that called him, is it your sister or CC? Did you ask him the name of that person? Accused 2, I asked him and he never told me that name. I never asked him to show me the numbers.
Lana umshushisi utufunda ke irekhodi la nge9 ku February ngo2024 lapha ke waku Mr. Ramsipile ke wayekubuza imibuzo. Iqala lana kuwena ke umsola wesibili ngangimile lapho nkosenkantolo namlisa thizeni ke owaqhamuka ke lapho wangitshela ukuthi uwumjiyako. Waqhubeka ke uMr Ramusipile kwakuyini ke inhloso yokuthi abe lapho, ingabe wakutshela yini umsolo wesibili? Wangitshela ukuthi wangitshela igama lakhe nkosenkantolo, wabe esethi kumina ke wayelapho ukuzongisiza noma uzongilekelela. Ngase ngifuna ukwazi ke kuyena ukuthi ezongilekelela ngani noma ezongisiza ngani. Baba Ramusipile wabe esethini ke yena, wabe esethi kumina ke uzoza epolice station azongichazela, noma ngizoza epolice station ngizokuchazela. Ngase ngimbuza ke ubani owakutshela noma ubani okutshelile ukuthi ngiboshiwe nokuthi ngila. Mr Ramusipile yathini impendulo yakhe umsola wesibili? Wathi kumina sizokhuluma ngalokho, kodwa umuntu owaxhumana naye noma ke owamshayela ucingo usisi. Ngase ngibuza ke mina ukuthi usisi uyithole kuphi inamba yakho? Baba Ramusipile uma ngabe eshoke ukuthi umuntu owamshayela ucingo udadewenu noma usisi, ingabe wambuza yini igama lomuntu loyo? Solo wesibili ngambuza, kodwa ke ngambuza kodwa ke akaze angitshele igama lelo. Ngamcela nokuthi ke angikhombise amanamba noma inamba.
Just to contextualize the page, the preceding page 23 on 9 February 2024, reads as follows. During the trial, within the trial, we'll read from the first page. My Lord, accused number 2. My Lord, I would not say where exactly in Boksburg it was, just a building, and then the door was just open, my Lord. The vehicle went under near in there. Then Mr. Ramusipile. Now, evidence led in this court is that you were taken to Boksburg court, so that destination was it at Boksburg court? Then accused number 2, I would say so because at the time I did not know, but I got to know afterwards, my Lord. Then Mr. Ramusipile at line 10, what transpired at Boksburg Magistrate Court? Then accused number 2, Mohane alighted. He was in possession of documents. He went up the stairs because there is a turnstiles there, and then I remained behind with Mabena, the likes of Jonathan. Then Mr. Ramusipile, what happened? Accused number 2, he came back through those turnstiles, informed Jonathan to open for me so I can go with him. What happened next? That was Mr. Ramusipile. Then he responded as follows. Before I got to the turnstiles, my Lord, that is when Mabena losing the cuffs, because I would not have been able to go through the turnstiles with my hands held at the back, and then he tied my hands in front. Then Mr. Ramusipile asked what happened. That's when you testified as per the page that we have just put in record.
Mase qala ke ku23 ngoba la siqala ku24 ifundeka ngalendlela. Ubaba Ramusipile okay. Lana ke iqala kuwena ke umsolo wesibili upage 23 ngazo in9 ku February 2024. Ngosenkantolo angeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi nendawo eBoksburg, kodwa kwakuyibhilidi benesicabha esavuleka ke nkosenkantolo. Imoto ke yangena ngaphansi khona lapho ubaba Ramusipile. Manje ke ubufakazi khishiweke noma bethule phambi kwalenkantolo ukuthi wahanjiswa ke ukuya enkantolo yase Boksburg. Manje ke leyo ndawo leyo kwakuyinkantolo yase Boksburg umsolo wesibili. Angeke ngingasho kanjalo ngoba ngaleso sikhathi leso ngangingazi, kodwa ke ngagcina sengazi kamuva nkosenkantolo Baba Msipile kwenzekani enkantolo yase Boksburg. Umsolo wesibili, uMukhane waphuma wayephethe amaphepha wakhuphuka ngeyitebhisi, ngoba wakhuphuka lapho ke ngeyitebhisi. Ngiyakhumbula ke ngasala ngasemuva noMabhena kanye nabo Jonathan. Kwenzekani? Wabuya ke wabe esebuya ke watshela uJonathan ukuthi angivulele ukuthi ngihambe nabo Baba Msipile. Kwase kwenzekani? Ngaphambi kokuthi ke ngijikeke kuyitebhisi ngosenkantolo, yila khona ke uMabhena waseke ekhaka engumla ozankosi, ngoba ngangeke ke ngikwazi ukuthi ngingene lapho kulezo insimbi lezo ke ngezandla zami ziboshiwe ngasemuva. Waseke eyibopha ngaphambili. Kwase kwenzekani ke kubuza yena Baba Msipile, yila khona ke wase unikeza impendulo ebese siyifundileke la ku page 24.
Mina ngiyethemba phambi leto lena akukho wrong la. Mawuzokhuphuka itebhisi kune gate ejikayo. Ngeke vele ungene egate ufaka ama handcuff ngezimbi.
There is nothing wrong here. Indeed, as you go up those staircases, indeed there are turnstiles there, and you won't be able to go through there with your hands tied at the back.
Ngifasiwe nasenyaweni ngama short stepisi.
I was also on leg irons.
Ngiyakhuphuka itebhisi nabo futhi.
I went up the stairs with them.
Now, you see that you mentioned there that the person introduced himself as Mr. Njiako.
Uyabona ke ukuthi uyasho la ukuthi umuntu wazisho ukuthi uMjiyako.
Ngiyakubona.
I see it.
So uqasho ubani mawuthi ngiyakubona ngibani umthethe ngisebossback.
So if you say I see it, who appointed him? Who told him that I was in Boksburg?
Remember your evidence earlier today, you initially said the person said he's Njiako, then you later on changed and said no, he did not introduce himself.
Uzokhumbula ngaphambilini namuhla nje ukuthi ushilo ukuthi umuntu wazisho ukuthi ngumjiyako, wase uphinde uyayishintsha leyo nkulumo leyo wathi cha akazange azisho igama lakhe ukuthi umjiyako.
Kosenkantolo into mayenzeka speed umuntu engafuni ukubheka nasemehlweni ekhuluma nawe shwashwatha uzo understanda yini lapho into zoyilokhuza lapho.
My lord, when something happens fast and this person does not even want to make eye contact with you, and the person is also not speaking clearly, what is it that you are going to make out of what that person is saying? Because even if this person was to enter this courtroom, I won't be able to point him out and say this is indeed him. Which means that where I was traveling, there was a police officer that was in contact with him, the police that I was traveling with, Mukhane Mabhena.
But still, sir, that doesn't explain that contradiction which appears there vis-a-vis your earlier evidence that Mr. Njiako did not introduce himself, but there you testify that he did introduce himself.
Lokho qeda ukuphendula manje akuchazi lento engikhombisa yona la ngithi lana uyasho ukuthi washo ukuthi yena uMjiyako ngaphambilini ushiye uthe cha akazange azisho ukuthi ungumjiyako. Lokho qeda ukusho manje akuphenduli lento engikhomba yona la.
Mina ngimile phambi kodwa amkhumbule zisho umuntu ungumjiyako.
I maintain what I said. I do not remember him introducing himself as being Mjiyako.
Ngoba namanje nje azange azeze kimi namanje akazifika incwadi ukuthi nakho lapha bengikhokhela khona umndeni wakho bengixhumana nosisi wakho ngoba mina osisi ekhaya umuntu osebenza ekhaya umuntu ongisebenzayo.
Because even now, he has never came to see me. There's no document that he has ever produced to say that here is the financial instruction that I was receiving from your family members. Because at home, no one is employed. I'm the one that is gainfully employed.
Mina njengoba ngumuntu wenkomo ucace ngokusobala ukuthi lo muntu lo ubengenzela ukugebenga namaphoyisa lana ngibophileyo.
I, as someone who is now into cattle, it is crystal clear that there was something, some criminality or some crime that he, together with the police that had arrested me, were doing against me.
Now, during the proceedings of 12 February 2026, when you were being led in chief by counsel Mr. Ramasepile at page 62, line 17, Mr. Ramasepile asks you, Mr. Ntanzi, let us leave it. It is neither here nor there. Let us leave it, my good brother. Now, I've asked you previous to this question whether later on you came to know the name of that legal representative who said he's there to represent you. Did he tell you, did you learn that name later? Then you respond as follows, accused to yes, I later on got to know the name. Then Mr. Ramasepile, and what was the name? Then accused to Ntokozo Mjiako, around there. And then on page 63, Mr. Ramasepile, first line. And who told you that the gentleman is Ntokozo Mjiako? Is that himself, or did you learn it somehow by yourself? Then at line 4, you respond as follows. His name, I got to know his name in Boksburg for me to be able to recall his name. It was on the 27th in Boksburg, also on the day when I terminated his mandate in Rustenburg.
Lana ubufakazi bangi 12 February 2026 ubaba Ramasepile kuyena ke okwaye buza ke imibuzo noma ekhola ke lana umnumzana uNtanzi asikiyekele lapho ke manje ke ngikubuzile ke ngaphambilini lo mbuzo lona ukuthi ingabe kamuva wase ulazi noma ulithola yini igama lommeli loyo owathi ke uzokumela, ngabe wakutshela yini yena noma ke wase ulazi igama lakhe noma walazi igama lakhe, wagcina ulazi igama lakhe kamuva? Phendula wena ke msolo wesibili, yebo kamuva ke ngalazi igama lakhe ubaba Ramasepile. Kwakubani igama lakhe? Ntokozo. Mawuphendula ke wena waphendula wathi Ntokozo Mjiako. Lapho nje baba Ramasepile, ubani owakutshela igama lomlisa loyo ukuthi uNtokozo Mjiako? Ingabe uyena noma ke wayitholela wena? Msolo wesibili, igama lakhe ngalazi enkantolo yase Boksburg ukuthi ke ngilikhumbule igama lakhe, kwakungazo i27 eBoksburg, futhi nangelanga ke engathatha isinqumo sokuthi ke ngiyamxosha eRustenburg.
Angithi mekhuluma eBoksburg ukhuluma ngikhona lapha but akaqalanga inkulumo ngingekho njengathi ibiyenzeka eRustenburg ukuthi ngimthole sekhuluma ekhotha.
Yes, because in Boksburg it did not happen as it used to happen in Rustenburg, where I would find him already addressing the court. When he addressed the court in Boksburg, I was there. Where he informed the court as to what his name was. In Rustenburg, I would find him when entering the court already on his feet, addressing the court, wearing his glasses as well as a mask.
Are you saying on all those appearances that we pointed out to you regarding the Thabane proceedings, you did not know that it was Mr. Mjiako who was there in court?
Uzokhumbula ke kunamahlandla la owafundelwe ne la ngesimane siphenya la ama-date aseThabane. Ingabe uthi kuwo onke la ma-date la owafundelwe aseThabane ukuthi ngawo onke lawo ma-dates igama lakhe wawungalazi ukuthi kwakuNtokozo Mjiako?
Angushongo lokho ngaphambi kwekhoti.
I did not say that before the court.
Mina ngithi mangena ngomnyango lo inkatolo iniso eRustenburg ikhoti yakho ayakhiwe nje ngani. Mawungena ngomnyango le inkatolo la.
In Rustenburg court is not built like this. I would enter using this door, and as I enter, the court is just right here, and the lawyer is over there.
Mangena mina ngiyale. Uyena usukumile uyakhuluma. Yini ayikhulumayo ayitshena icourt lenga ethena uyitshenwe yini.
Upon entering the court, I would then go to the other side. Then he is busy on his feet addressing the court. What is it that he would be addressing the court, saying that it was instructions from me?
Nansi icourt isingiphile remand sithe tanzi ubuye ngelanga so icourt yaguqa. Yini engezikime emotweni azongitshena ukuthi yini le ade ayitshena icourt.
Now the court has given me a remand date and saying, Tanzi, come back on this date. Why would he then not come to me and tell me as to what it is that he was addressing the court on or about?
Njengamanje ngiphambi kwecourt izothi icourt ayiguqa. Ayasukuma nakamaloya ayakunabo omacala bami bakhuluma nabo siyahamba semaseleni ejele.
Right now the court is going to adjourn. The legal representatives would then stand up and then approach my co-accused, speak to them, and thereafter we leave and go to prison.
Manje lawyer le ngenza ngenjani le engezikimi.
Now what kind of a lawyer is this one that would not come to me?
When did you learn of Mr. Mjiako's name for the first time?
Uma uqala nje nga ukuthi uzwe igama lika Mjiako kwakunini.
Kusenkantolo nombuzo sengophendula amahlandla amaningi.
I've answered this question many times, my lord.
Ngoba mina ngishilo la phambi kwecourt ukuthi lo muntu lo uqala kwami ukumbona ngizi 24.
I did say that the very first time when I saw this person, it was on the 24th.
Yes,
Yonke into yayenzeka speed ngoba naye uyaombona uma ekhuluma uyashashada akakhuluma into eqonde ngqo uthi awusisi wakho uzokhombisa khona manje singene yini lo nto le.
Because when he was speaking, or everything happened so fast. Even when he was speaking, he was not speaking clearly. He was like in sort of murmuring and saying, your sister, this and this. What is that?
Ukuqala lapho ngiyaqala ukuboshiwa ngaze ngithi.
And it was the first time that I was arrested. I knew nothing.
Nengane mawezela ngeke uthi enganeni geza wena babo wengane ungafuna ukugeza ingakubona ingane wena ugeza. Lo nto le ngeke zizenze. Khoma khona ubugebengu loba benziwa ngamaphoyisa nale lawyer.
Sorry. Even to a child, you will never turn an infant or a baby to bath, whereas you as the father are not being exemplary and not taking a bath yourself, which just proved that it was just criminality that the police were doing.
But according to the transcript that we've just put forward to you, say you got to know him for the first time, got to know his name on the 27th of October in 2020 in Boksburg.
Ngokwaleli phepha leli esiqeda ukunikeza lona ke lithi ke uma uqala umazike okoqala manje kwakusinge-27 eBoksburg.
Mina lapha ecourt ishithe ngophendula umhlandla amaningi ngithe mina naseRustenburg akazi ngibuza icourt ukuthi lo muntu lo ngummeli wakho.
I did say this on many occasions that even in Rustenburg the court never inquired from me as to whether is this person your legal representative.
Mina into ayenza kule court yayinganginelisa mina azange ngijabulise ngoba lapha sengitshena icourt le yayakulingakhona uchance ukukhuluma ngasho ngathi umama lo icourt lade ngekuyo ayingijabulisa ngoba njengamanje nangummeli akezi kimi maluthi ungimele uthunywe ubani ukuthi akazongimela.
What was happening to me in that court there I was not happy about, because when the matter was changed to a different magistrate, that is when I was given an opportunity to address the court. I did indicate that I was not happy with the previous court, because here is the lawyer who told him to come and represent me.
Now, just before we adjourn, references made to CC in the record that we've just put before you.
Ukukhulunywa lana ngosisi ke noma ke kubhalwe usisi lana. Yes.
Can I just show you?
Just twist it somewhere here.
Did you find it? Thank you.
Yes, you can go ahead, sir.
Yes. You see that?
Yeah. Yes.
Where reference is made to CC.
La ekhulunywa khona ngosisi uyabona?
yebo ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
We just wish to show you the Annexure 3 of your phone book. Contact number 23.
yebo ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
And there's also a name of the, I'm sorry, telephone number of CC there, is that correct?
Khona nenumber futhi.
So manje la mayibhatisisi wayengabhatisisi uMatombo ngoba befela ibhatisisi uMatombo wayibhala ukuthi sisi kuphela.
Why is it only written CC and not CC Mantombi?
Ngoba phela inamba ngiyayibona uMatombo ugane kaNdwanda. Lena wayengabhatisisi uMatombo bengiyibhale kanjalo ukuthi sisi uMatombo. Mse ibhatisisi kuphela wayibhale so.
I see the number because she is married into Ndwandwe. So why is it not on? Because I saved it at Sisi Mantombi. Why is it only written Sisi?
Yes. It's good. Please, my lord, can we take the adjournment at this point?